nervous. He used to ask me, Buddy Ma is sitting there, Buddy Ma is sitting there. I said, what can I do? I don't know what to do. I don't know how to host her. I don't know what hospitality to offer. Just to tell you that hunger is hunger, whether it is a billionaire's hunger or it is a poor man's hunger. That is why Annadanam has been praised by all our saints and sages. My dear listeners, the first pillar of Sudama Charitra is poverty. Poverty can have two effects. One is the person can become immoral, unethical, can take to stealing, murder, crime, etc. The other is he can reconcile to his fate and suffer. That is what Sudama was doing. The whole of Sudama Charitra tells you he was a pure man, dear friend of the Lord, pure fellow. And he was like you and me, a householder. He had roti kapda makan problem. He had the problem of food, of raising children, looking after a wife, looking after a home. So that is poverty. Poverty can be harrowing. And whom else can you ask except the Lord when you are poor? My dear listeners, the Bhagavata is telling us it was not enough to be poor. He was the friend of the Lord. I've told my audience earlier, and I don't mind repeating, all of us know that there are 9 types of devotion according to the little child Prahlada. Another little miracle. I open an old book, it opens at Sakhyam. How do you like it? Without a bookmark. You understand? Who is presiding over the Vyasapita? Not Premaji, but Krishnaji. How can a book open without a bookmark on Sakhyam? You can see. My dear listeners, when one sits on the Vyasapita, one empties oneself. My Guruji used to say, sit on the Vyasapita. While you're praying, empty yourself so that great voices can enter you. You are not speaking. Let the mic not take the credit for the speaker. The mic is the mic, and all of us are mics. That is all that we are. Someone is speaking, someone is prompting, someone is inspiring, someone is giving us sustained inspiration. That is important. Only when the speaker realizes this, his speech can touch the listener. Otherwise, it becomes a pedantic outpouring. I hope you understand what I mean. A pedantic outpouring. All your knowledge, cluttered knowledge, you're just outpouring it. That is not a speech. A speech has to be something that touches the soul. Sakhya is God-centered and man-oriented. Other types of devotion are man-centered and God-oriented. We can choose the other 8 paths, but this has to be offered by the Lord. You can't say, Krishna is my friend. Krishna has to say, he or she is my friend. This path has to be offered by the Lord, not by our learning, not by our deserving, but by his abundant, abounding grace. Unless Krishna says he is my friend, you can't say I am his friend. Long back, I gave you a table, a tabular distinction between relatives and friends. Relatives are close to us by birth. Friends are close to us by love. Relatives demand. Friends give. Relatives are dissatisfied. Friends are embarrassed by our kindness. Relatives stand on formality. Friends are informal. Relatives are ego-bound. Friends are characterized by humility. Relatives seem to have come to collect old dues. Friends seem to have come to give us more and more. Relatives don't miss us when we are gone as much as friends mourn our going away for years together. Relatives are part of our celebration. Friends are the strength in our calamity. We do not live by relatives. We can scarcely live without friends. Relatives measure and evaluate gifts. Friends make tinsel look like gold. Life without relatives cannot exist. Life without friends would be hell. If a human friend can give you so much solace, I wrote, Imagine what would happen if the Lord was our friend. The sky is the limit. This is one of those passages which I love to. It gains more and more importance by repetition. Relatives, friends. I say English is the most illogical language. Those who are unrelated are called relatives. I don't know how they can be. You should call them unrelatives or non-relatives. What to do? They are happy when we are unhappy. They are unhappy when we are happy. Stock example is Duryodhana. After the Pandavas leave for the forest, after the game of dice, Duryodhana goes to Mamaji, Shakuni, and says, Mamaji, yes, my dear, I'm very unhappy. Why are you unhappy? I played the game of dice, which was the game of lice, and sent the Pandavas for a 13-year exile, and you are still unhappy? Duryodhana says, because they are happy in the forest. What do you say to this? They are happy in the forest. Draupadi has Akshaya Patra. One time she got Akshaya Vastra, now she's having Akshaya Patra. So how? They're enjoying their exile. Every day, thousands of people she's feeding. How happy we would feel if we had the Food Corporation of India in our compound. That is how it is. Nothing is lacking for them. This is called jealousy. This is what a relative feels. They are happy when we are unhappy. They are unhappy when we are happy. Friendship of the Lord is an unbroken bond, my dear listeners. Unbroken bond. More about friendship, I'll talk a little later. Every great work starts with a question. Sometimes the listener wants a particular episode. He has heard and he wants that episode. Bhagavan yani chanyani mukundasya mahatmanaha viryani ananta viryasya shrotumichhami he prabho. Hey Master, I want to know the infinite glories of the Lord. There are so many deeds, so many valorous deeds, valiant deeds, great deeds. Why? Because who will say enough, Master? Who will say enough? Because if you want to give up sensuous pleasures, only that person will say, we want more and more, Master. Konu shrutva asakrit brahman uttama shloka satkatha virameta visheshajnyo vishannaha kamamarganaihi. Only when a man is disgusted with material pleasures. I'm not criticizing those who are not listening to the Bhagavatam. I'm praising those who are listening to the Bhagavatam. You're satisfied people. You're satisfied people. You find time, 45 minutes every day, precious time, prime time, I call it, for the Bhagavatam. Why? Bas khub khaya, khub piya, khub pehna. Lot of things we have. We are happy. We are happy. We want to listen to Krishna Katha. We want to listen to his glory. That is why you are here. Those who are disgusted with material desire, running after material desire, Vishannaha Kamamarganihi, only those will say, we want Krishna Katha. And then, I've told you earlier, that sometimes listeners become speakers. That is how I became a speaker. For years together, for my childhood, I used to listen to Dikshitarji and come home and tell my master, Tado yuddha varishrantam samare chintaya sthitam. My father will ask, where did you learn it? Dikshitar's Katha. Dikshitar's Katha. Namostu Ramaya Salakshmanaya. Where did you hear it? Dikshitar's Katha. That is how there was an unconscious, spontaneous, effortless memory those days. When you were young, your memory is effortless. When you become old, you have to read 10 times to remember half a sentence, and then you go wrong when you really reproduce it. Because our memory power is weakened. My dear listeners, suddenly from the audience, Dikshitar says the child will speak on Krishna. And I began to speak on the gopis of Vrindavan. That was my first talk. So that is how Listeners become speakers. You understand? As you're listening, you want to talk. The whole heart is full with what you've heard. And somewhere you want to express it. That is how it came. That is how my first speech was the product of my listening, not hearing. You understand the difference between listening and hearing. I have told you when I talked about Shravana, most husbands listen, they don't hear. You understand? Sorry, they hear, they don't listen. That is why every wife says, Suno. Suno means listen. Somewhere you're looking at the TV or looking at your mobile, you're not listening. But when you listen, something in you says you must reproduce. This is how Parikshit is reproducing what he has heard. Sa vakyaya tasya gunan grinite karau cha tat karma karau manascha स्मरेत् वसन्तं स्थिरजङ्गमेषु शृणोति तत्पुण्यकथाः सकर्णः शिरस्तु तस्यो भयलिङ्गमानमेत् तदेव यत् पश्यति तद्धि चक्षुः अङ्गानि विष्णोरथ तज्जनानां पादोदकं यानि भजन्ति नित्यम्. My dear listeners, this beautiful body, long back I wrote a message, if you remember, morning message, the functions of the sense organs. You ask a child, what is the eye? The eye is that which sees. What is the nose? The nose is that which smells. What is the ear? The ear is that which hears or listens. But then I tell my audience, you've taught the child the function of the sense organ, but not the desirable objects of the sense organs. Teach them what to see, what to smell, what to listen, then they understand. Otherwise, they're watching the wrong things on the mobile. You understand? It is for us to reorient our children towards spirituality. There are so many dirty things in the world. Let me tell you, my musician brothers, myself and Ramu, we travel all over the world. Past 25 years, we've been traveling. Not one day do we feel like going to the wrong places. Not one day do we feel like watching the wrong movies on the TV. The TV there can be terrible. There is no inclination because we are involved with spiritual work. Otherwise, there would be some sensuous longing in us to do the wrong thing. That is the tongue which talks about the Lord's glory. Savakyaya tasya gunan grinite. That which describes the glory of the Lord. That is the tongue. Those are the hands which perform the Lord's duty. Everybody says, oh, Corona, COVID, lockdown, how sad we are. Not even one day have I said how sad I am. How happy I am that you are listening and every day I'm talking about the Lord. What more can be happy? What more can be happiness? Tell me. It is only when you do something that is soul satisfying, SOLE, SOUL, both. Soul satisfying. Only then you are happy. Karau tat karma karau manascha. Every day, planning the background, planning the lighting, planning the katha, planning what the message for the day, writing it. All that gives my body a lot of energy at this age. It gives me energy. I think when you see me, you understand I'm not a weakling. I'm a strong person. Am I not? Can't you make out from my voice how much of energy the Lord has given me from where? I eat the same sambar and rasam that you eat. I don't take anything special. Please don't think I'm living on any special diet. No, the same poriyal, the same sambar, the same idli, dosa that you're eating. From where does the energy come? Because I'm doing God's work. God's work. That gives you energy, my dear listeners. That gives us energy. Karau cha tat karma karau manascha. Smaret vasantam sthira jangameshu. What is the mind? The mind, oh God, when I think of the mind, I'm baffled. It can think of everything under the sun. It can make you go berserk. From where to where it takes you. I've told my audience, more than Krishna early in the morning, I bow down to the mind. I said, please, 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 behave yourself, behave yourself. Don't go on the wrong path. You have brought me back again and again into this world. Save me from rebirth. Don't make me wander again, meander again, lose my track. Please don't do that. My mind, that which remembers the Lord in the sthira and the jangama. Everywhere we should remember the Lord. संतों ने जैसे देखा हम उसी तरह देखें, जिधर भी नजर पड़ी वहां राम कृष्ण देखें। समंदर को देखे तो वैकुंठ को पुकारे, फूल फल देखे तो शबरी को याद कर ले। अरे दूध माखन खाए तो गोविंद को बुला ले, दूध माखन खाए तो गोविंद को बुला ले। जय की माला पहने तो योगेश्वर कह डाले, जय की माला पहने तो योगेश्वर कह डाले। संतों ने जैसे देखा हम उसी तरह देखें, जिधर भी नजर पड़ी वहां राम कृष्ण देखे, वहां राम कृष्ण देखे। स्मरेत् वसंतं स्थिरजंगमेषु, शृणोति तत्पुण्य कथा सकर्णः। Forgive me, forgive me. All the time we are on the mobile. If there are 5 people at home, there are 5 mobiles, sometimes 10 also. Some people have 2 mobiles in 2 years. I said one is calamity, the second is catastrophe. How can you have 2 mobiles in speaker? I'll go mad. Even with one mobile, I go mad. Please, my dear listeners, that is the ear which listens to. Why are you here for 45 minutes? Because your ear says 45 minutes exclusively Krishna Katha. No gossip, no bad words, no bad movie, no titillating songs, only Krishna Govinda Damodar Madhaveti. मैं तुझको देखती जाऊं तू मुझको देखता जाए, देखते देखते प्रभु जी मेरा दिल धड़कता जाए। ये कैसा रिश्ता है, ये कैसा नाता है, ये कैसा रिश्ता है, ये कैसा नाता है। The ear wants only Krishna Katha. Only then it is happy. And it tells you, thank you for listening to Krishna Katha. What is the head? The wonderful head. When you meet somebody holy, you don't even make an apology for a salute. You understand what I mean? Is that the way to greet an elder, a spiritual person? Shirastu tasyo bhayalingamanamet. There are so many manifestations. The moment you see, the moment you see any manifestation of God, please bow down. Please bow down. I must share a joke with you, because my sense of humor is something that I cannot control. In Kerala, we were driving. Whenever I see a Dhwajastambha, I bow down because I feel it's a temple. Ramu says, I'm not insulting any other community, but Ramu said, Amma, nowadays churches also have Dhwajastambha, Amma. This is a church. I said, okay, Jesus, bless me. I said, what can I do? I didn't know it was a church. As soon as I see the Dhwajastambha, I do pranam. So any manifestation of the divine, the head has to bow down. The head has to bow down. Tadeva yat pashyati tathi chakshuhu. That is the eye which sees the Lord. When you think of the Lord, my master Venkateshwara comes to my mind. The lovely diadem, the Urdhva Tilaka, the lovely eyes which are half covered with camphor, the lovely burnished earrings, and Shankha and Chakra, full of dazzling diamonds, the shapely nose, the lovely lips, the shapely chin, the shining cheeks, the Vishala Vakshasthala, and then you have Shivatsa there and Kaustubha. Under that you have Tulasi, which the main person, the main priest has offered. Then you have Sri Devi and Bhudevi, One stands for spiritual wealth, one stands for material wealth. And the Lord has two other hands. One is Abhaya, which is giving you fearlessness. The other is Varada, giving you boons, benefactions. The hand that is looking down has got a golden plate on it. If he is wearing a golden plate, then you have Mamekam Sharanam Raja written in light in letters of diamond. Please note, letters of diamond, Mamekam Sharanam Raja, from the Gita, Bhagavad Gita. Sarvadharman Parityajya Mamekam Sharanam Vraja Aham Tva Sarva Papebhyo Mokshayishyami Ma Shuchaha. The day he's wearing a diamond hand, the whole hand is full of diamond, but there are 5 emeralds, 4 on all the 4 corners and 1 in the center. I have noted it for you and for me to remember. And then you have the master wearing a girdle, which has got, from there is a sword hanging. Then you have the Lord having 14 to 15 pairs of bracelets on his hand, exotic jewelry he wears. Then the Lord has got beautiful silken garment, which he changes every Friday after Abhishekam. Then my master has, instead of anklets, he's got kneelets. On the knees, he has got anklets full of hanging diamond. And then he's wearing a vanamala, he's wearing a tomala, he's wearing a tulasi mala, he's wearing the golden sovereign mala, which is very heavy. Once in a while they offer it. Then he has a mala full of salagramas, and then my master's feet full of tulasi are welcoming us. It is only then that the eye is happy, because you've seen Vina Venkatesham Nanatho Nanatha Sada Venkatesham Swarami Swarami. Months since I saw him, months since I saw him. But he's there. Teri kahani, meri zubani. It is only his katha that has given me joy, my dear listeners, and his darshan. I long for his darshan. The eye is asking, when shall I see Bihari? When shall I see Guru Ayyappa? When shall I see the Lord as Venkateshwara? Tadevat yat pashyati tathi chakshuhu. And best part, Angani Vishnor atatat jananam padodakam yani bhajanti nityam. Actual limbs are those which regularly honor the water that has bathed the Lord's feet, or those of his devotees. My dear listeners, washing the feet. Washing the feet, the Lord does here. Look at this, what he is doing. The Lord is washing the feet of Sudama. And we wash the feet of the Lord. We wash the feet of our gurus. We wash the feet of holy people. That is the Padodaka. That is the Pada Udaka. Udaka means water. Pada is the foot. The Lord's feet or the Bhakta's feet. Padodakam yani bhajanti nityam. That is the body. Otherwise, it's not the body. You don't call it the body at all. Sota says, oh, what a lovely question you have asked, Parikshit. Vishnuraten samprushto Bhagavan Badarayanihi Vasudeve Bhagavati Nimagna Hridayo Abravit. Nimagna Hridayo Abravit. There are speakers and speakers and speakers. But Shukadeva is an exalted speaker, someone who experiences the Lord in his blood and bones, somebody who is a great Bairagi. He doesn't want anything. He's just left the world of ordinary material existence and has dissolved in divinity. When his father calls Putreti Tanmayataya Taravo Bhineduhu Tam Sarva Bhuta Hridayam Munimanatosmi, he doesn't look back to his father. He's just going away, away from home, away from material bonds, away from ordinary people and ordinary bonds, because he has got a divine bond. This great Shukadeva immerses his mind in the Lord and speaks. You can imagine. Nimagna Hridayo Abravit. There are words and words. Some words are spoken from the tip of the tongue. Some words are spoken from the lip. Some words are spoken from the throat. Some words are spoken from the head. Some words are spoken from the heart. Very few words are spoken from the soul. These are the sources of words. I hope you appreciate. I hope you appreciate. This is where speech differs from person to person. When a mother talks to her child, it is so different from an ordinary neighbor calling the child. The moment the child hears its name being called by the mother, oh, that's Amma's voice, that's mother's voice. You know, the word coming from the mother has so much love. The person who is immersed in God, he speaks. You can imagine, Vishnu Ratena Samprushto, Bhagavan Badarayanihi, Vasudeve Bhagavati, Nimagna Hridayo Abravit. It's a special katha. So it's a special invocation to Krishna. Krishna, I'm going to talk about your wonderful friendship with Sudama. You come, Krishna, you come. Whenever I go to the katha, whenever I come for the katha, I tell Krishna, you come, you listen, you enjoy, you speak. That is how you feel when you ask the Lord on a special occasion, Bhagavati Vasudeve Nimagna Hridayaha. His heart was dissolving in Krishna, in the great God Krishna. And he began to speak. What did he speak? Krishnasya Sitsakha Kachit Brahmano Brahma Vittamaha Iraktaha Indriyartheshu Prashantatma Jitendriyaha. My dear listeners, Shukadeva starts Krishnasya Sit Sakha Kaschit Brahmano Brahma Vittamaha Viraktaha Indriyartheshu Prashantatma Jitendriyaha. I met a holy person. The holy person had given gifts to everybody. I had desired a gift because it was coming from him. The next day I met him. He gives the gift to me. I said, Swami, you have thousands of devotees and still you remember me? He said, because you're one in 1,000. I said, thank you, Swami. Thank you. Where do you get this from? Manushyanam sahasreshu kaschit yatati siddhaye yatatamapi siddhanam kaschin mam vetti tattvataha. Kaschit. Kaschit is someone. No, someone. Emphasize accent on someone. Not everyone, someone. कपि सुग्रीव की बात बताई हनुमान रघुवर को मन भाई. When Hanumanji met Sri Rama and Lakshmana, he said, Vanara Kachit, who is Sugriva? He is Dharmatma. He is a Dharmatma. Kachit Vanara. He is the master, he is the king. He is born in the Vanara kingdom, but he is Kachit, someone, particularly because he is a Dharmatma. My dear listeners, this is where Krishna Syasi Thaka Kaschit. You're asking, who is it? Who is it? The name is not given. Someone. Brahmano Brahmavittamaha Viraktaha Indriyartheshu Prashantatma Jitendriyaha. The rest of the katha follows tomorrow. May the Lord fulfill your dharmic desires. Please bless me as long as I live. Let me carry this message of faith and grace wherever I go. Yatra Yogeshwara Krishno, Yatra Partho Dhanurdaraha, Tatra Shri Vijayo Bhutar Druvani Tirmati. Narayana 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 Bolo Narayana 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 Krishna Narayana 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 Satya Narayana 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 Yatra Yogeshwara Krishna Yatra Partho Dhanurdharaha Tatra Shri Vijayo Bhutir Dhruvani Tirmatirmama. God willing, we meet tomorrow at 7 o'clock for the rest of the Katha.